In the not-so-distant future, rangers might not have to track poachers on foot through thick bush. They could be watching them on closed-circuit television beamed directly from the animals they are trying to kill. It sounds like science fiction, but it is actually one of the projects being worked on by engineers and tech specialists at the Sheldrick Wildlife Trust in Kenya. It's one of several organizations racing to develop new tech that can help protect endangered species. The trust was founded by Dame Daphne Sheldrick in 1996 after she retired from running an elephant orphanage, and today it operates the largest rescue and rehabilitation center for injured or orphaned elephants in East Africa. But it also runs a frontline anti-poaching unit, and that's where the idea for the Spy in the Sky came from. It's the brainchild of Pete Mabu, a former electrical engineer with IBM who now heads up the technology department at the trust. He and his team developed a way to equip wildlife with tiny cameras that record everything they see and hear, then beam those images back to base via satellite. We started with the premise of equipping an animal with a camera, says Mr. Mabu. So we rigged up a camera onto a collar and put it on an elephant and left it in the bush to see what would happen. We were able to observe everything this elephant saw, so we thought this is great. Now we can use this technology to gather intelligence on poachers. While the image quality isn't quite up to Hollywood standards, it's good enough for surveillance, and it gives the rangers unprecedented eyes in the sky. For one thing, the cameras can pan, tilt, and zoom, giving them a much wider field of view than a human lookout. But even more importantly, they can spy on poachers without being detected. When our rangers are out there trying to look for poachers, they have to make noise, says Mr. Mabu. They have to walk, they have to talk, so they are making noise and the poachers can hear them coming long before they can hear the rangers. If we're able to get the poachers unaware, then we've got a chance to catch them. So far, the Spy in the Sky cameras have been fitted to 12 elephants, 6 zebras, and 3 rhinos. The data they collect is stored securely in the cloud and can be accessed via mobile phone or computer, and it can be used to track individuals. Poachers usually travel in groups of 2 or 3, says Mr. Mabu, so once they've spotted one of them, they can follow their movements and see where they're going. Because poaching still goes on, even with the cameras, they've also developed a system to alert rangers in real time when the animals they are monitoring are in danger. An alarm is triggered if the animal comes to a sudden halt or takes a big swipe with its tusks or hoof. Then a human ranger confirms what's happening before raising the alarm. Mr. Mabu says it's not about catching the poachers. It's about gathering intelligence and predicting what the poachers are going to do next. Not only does it keep the rangers safe, but it also protects the animals. In Kenya, the law requires that rangers shoot poachers on sight, and while they have orders to protect the animals at all costs, that means the poachers sometimes get away. With the Spy in the Sky footage, rangers can predict where the poachers will strike next and set up an ambush. Across Africa, an estimated 20 people are killed every week in anti-poaching operations. So anything that reduces the danger to rangers is a step in the right direction. The technology has already been rolled out in several national parks and private conservancies across Kenya. And the trust is currently working on a project to equip a further 150 elephants with the cameras. It's one of several initiatives pushing the boundaries of wildlife conservation. In South Africa, engineers are developing drones that can spot poachers from miles away. Meanwhile, in India, an app has been developed to stop the illegal wildlife trade. And in Borneo, a community-based conservation program has taught orangutans to climb into specially designed towers, complete with viewing platforms, to escape the encroaching forest. Back in Kenya, Mr. Mabu and his team aren't resting on their laurels. They're constantly working to improve the technology. The current cameras weigh about 4 kilograms, which is about 8 pounds. But they're hoping to reduce that to just 2.5 kilograms, or just over 5 pounds. As for the poachers, they're constantly moving their camps and changing their tactics. But Mr. Mabu is confident that the battle of wits between man and machine will ultimately be won by the animals. He says, "We are living in the age of technology. You can't hide anything. Whatever you're doing, there is technology that can detect what you're doing, and this is just another thing. The animals have rights too, and we have a duty to protect them. Together, we can shape a future where technology and nature thrive side by side." If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tool of Nature Facts for more amazing insights about our planet.